So I bought another Go jersey shirt. This time it's the Sporting Club Portugal shirt from CR7. This is amazing, and it has lots of quality. As you can see, the letters and the arms. Sorry. Jersey is incredible. It even has the Nike symbol with Sporting. Exclusive products. It even has the QR code. I don't know where it goes, but I'll test it out later. Exclusive products. Oh, right here. Now in the back. This time I decided not to put a number, so it's an empty bag. Oh, just super bulk, and this logo, I don't know what the hell is this, but it's here, and it's on the original as well, so I don't mind. It came on this package with this paper, like the original scan, Nike. As you can see, it's a warning for children to not get suffocated. Well, okay, but it has lots of quality, and right here some information, but in general it's an amazing shirt with amazing quality, and I'll use it a lot of times for sure. It's really beautiful. And it has an amazing quality, and it's very comfortable. I tested it. So this was my review. I hope you liked it. I hope I showed you the t-shirt, the jersey, and that you liked and you buy as well.